Doncaster's Humber Biosphere journey.
With me, Jumping Dave the Salmon.
You might be wondering what a biosphere is.
Well, it is an area of nature, wildlife and people that we want to protect.
Did you know that there are 784 biospheres around the world?
For example, North Devon, Yellowstone Park in the USA, and Great Sandy Biosphere in Australia.
There are 7 here in the UK, but we need one more.
Doncaster is a city in South Yorkshire.
Now that we know where Doncaster is, you need to know what we have.
Not many people know that Doncaster has many wonderful and unique forests, rivers, moors and parks.
These amazing places are home to incredible creatures such as robins, spiders, squirrels and hedgehogs.
Most people know about these, but here are some less familiar species.
Adders, water voles, kingfishers, barn owls, goldfinches and minnows.
And me, a super special salmon, now thriving in the River Don.
The thorn and hat-peeled moors are at the heart of our biosphere, habitat to special beetles and birds unique to this area.
But we don't want this area to be destroyed by people burning fossil fuels, chopping down trees or dropping litter. We need to protect our environment.
So, can we do anything to help our biosphere?
Companies need to be mindful when building their structures, roads and factories.
People can use less plastic. Use biodegradable packaging instead.
Get outdoors, enjoy nature and tell people all about it.
So let's make Doncaster one of the world's official biospheres.
And help conserve our unique and spectacular natural environment.
Now, before we finish, we just want to tell you one more thing. Why not help the wildlife and make a bird box? Look in the description below to find out how.